Looking to upgrade your typing experience? A mechanical keyboard might be just what you need. With the right switches, you can type faster, more accurately, and more comfortably than on a standard membrane keyboard. Whether you're gaming, writing, or working, a mechanical keyboard is a solid investment. Mechanical keyboards offer durability, customizability, and a satisfying typing feel. They come in various sizes, key switch types, and layouts to fit your needs. Whether you want something loud and clicky or smooth and silent, there's a perfect match for you. First up, the Cooler Master MK770. This all-around great keyboard features a gasket-mounted design and Kyle Box V2 switches. It's hot swappable, making customization easy, and priced at $119, it's a great value. For those on a budget, the Lamoki X1 at just $36 delivers premium features like a 1000 Hz polling rate and tactile brown switches. Though it lacks hot swappable switches, it remains a solid pick. If you need a wired full-size keyboard, check out the Keychron V6. It comes with durable PBT keycaps, customizable RGB lighting, and hot swappable switches, perfect for modding enthusiasts. For a premium typing experience, the new Phi Halo 75 V2 features 6 layers of internal padding for a unique, thocky sound and a comfortable MSA profile keycap design. Its battery lasts up to 3 weeks per charge. Gamers will love the Corsair K70 Max, featuring linear magnetic switches with adjustable actuation points, sound dampening, and a premium aluminum frame. At $230, it's an investment, but a worthwhile one. For even more customization, the Razer Black Widow V4 Pro 75% offers hot swappable switches, an OLED display, and immersive RGB lighting. Priced at $299, it's ideal for gamers and enthusiasts who want a high-end experience. Looking for something innovative? The Keychron Q1HE is a Hall effect keyboard with quad actuation points and rapid trigger technology, perfect for serious gamers. If you prefer a smaller layout, the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini offers similar responsiveness and a compact 60% design. For ergonomic typing, the Keychron K11 Max features a 65% Alice layout with a split design to relieve wrist strain. If you prefer a fully split keyboard, the ApoMaker Split 65 allows for a customizable, posture-friendly setup at just $119. Retro gaming fans will love the 8-bit Do Retro mechanical keyboard, which mimics the look of classic Nintendo systems. It features nostalgic aesthetics, tactile keycaps, and programmable buttons. Finally, the Keychron Q7 is a robust, CNC machined aluminum keyboard with a 1000 Hz polling rate and an excellent sound dampening. Ideal for serious typists, it's a premium choice that's built to last. Before buying, consider the size: full size, 10 keyless, or compact. Also think about switch types: linear for smooth key presses, tactile for feedback, or clicky for audible clicks. Budget-wise, expect to spend $100 to $200 for quality, but there are great options under $100. Mechanical keyboard's a fantastic upgrade for any setup. Whether you need one for gaming, work, or for general use, there's an option to match your style and budget. Choose wisely and enjoy the ultimate typing experience.